तो मेरा सफ़र शुरू हुआ बैंगलोर से उडुपी के लिए, जो कि बहुत ही मज़ेदार और बहुत ही अच्छा सफ़र था। तो मैं मॉर्निंग मॉर्निंग पहुंची उडुपी। Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sona and I'm a travel vlogger. I love to travel, and if you also love to travel, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. And today I am in the most attractive and unexplored destination in Karnataka, which is Udupi. So Udupi lies in the coastal region of Karnataka and it's on the sides of the Arabian Sea. So Udupi is famous for its unexplored beaches and beautiful temples. I am very excited to explore this place. Today is my first day here. First I'm going to have my breakfast and then I'm going to take you guys along with me. Let's see where I go. So let's go. Hey guys, so I was heading towards Malpe Beach and in between I found this restaurant. This is a seafood restaurant and the name is Hotel Sai Fish Land and they serve amazing seafood. Okay, so they have an amazing varieties of seafood and the sitting area is also very good. So if you're heading towards Malpe Beach, you can just stop here and have your lunch or even breakfast. They have veg, non-veg varieties of food options. I have ordered fried rice and gobi manchurian. So I'm waiting for my lunch. मैंने morning में breakfast नहीं किया था, so it's kind of a mixed breakfast and lunch together going on. And अभी यहाँ से Malpe Beach almost 4 kilometers दूर है, so it's not so far. So that's why I've stopped at this place. I'll be exploring more of seafood in the evening or maybe tomorrow, but right now I'm having only this. So see you when my food comes. So guys, I saw these drinks in soda bottle and I ordered one. I'm trying this for the first time. Let's see how it tastes. Really interesting. It tastes very, very good. It has kind of very different flavor than soda. Like it's a mix of soda and pineapple flavor together, so it's coming out very good together. तो डिलीशियस लंच करने के बाद मैं पहुंच गई हूँ मैल्पे बीच और ये एंट्रेंस है मैल्पे बीच की. Hey guys, so I've reached Malpe Beach and it is very hot right now. बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी हो रही है. The best time I think is in evening. You guys can come in evening here and you can see यहाँ पर parking है. I've parked my Activa here and at my back you guys can see Mahatma Gandhi statue of Mahatma Gandhi ji and उसी side beach भी है. So I'm going to go there first. So I am here at the beach and this is a beautiful beach with white sand. Like बहुत कम ऐसे beach होते हैं जो white sand से दिखते हैं. This is such kind of beach and it is very beautiful around. You can see. So at my back I can see a lot of water sports going on. I got this choco bar. I think in the hot weather आइसक्रीम खाने का मज़ा कुछ और ही है एंड वो भी बीच में तो बहुत ही मज़ा आ गया खा के. एंड आई एम हैविंग माई फेवरेट आइसक्रीम चोको बार विद दिस ब्यूटिफुल व्यू. So guys, I have to go to St. Mary's Island, जो कि यहाँ से ferry या you can take speed boat also. उसमें you can easily go. The charges are 400 for the speed boat. So you will get the ferry from the port side, which is a little far from the main beach. So you can go by walk or by your own vehicle also. So I'm planning to go by ferry because that would be a different experience. I've done speedboat before. So yeah, I'll go to the port side and see if ferry is there or not. So let's go. Also guys, there are so many sports games which you can play, and I've seen first time on the beach any sports game. So I've reached the port area from where I'll get the ferry, and the place is very beautiful. This place has many food stalls. So if you want to have something, you can definitely have. I've taken the ticket and the charge is 300 per head. The timings are 3:30. I have to wait till 3:30. Right now it's 2:30. I have to wait 1 hour because they're waiting for more and more passengers, because the maximum capacity is 30 passengers in one ferry. And yeah, till the time I'll wait and I'll see the view behind me, which is amazing. As I have to wait a little longer, so मैंने decide किया तब तक मैं कुछ अपने लिए cool drink ले लेती हूँ, and because it's very hot outside, so yeah, I'm enjoying my cold drink and enjoying the view. So अब time हो चुका है ferry में जाने का, and I'm very excited. So सारे passengers जितने भी चाहिए थे वो complete हो चुके हैं, and I think the ride is going to be very fun and exciting. So as I enter the ferry, there are many chairs on the ferry, and you can even sit on the sides of the ferry. I think that will give you much more better view. That's why I'm sitting here. समंदर चाहे कितना भी गहरा क्यों ना हो, लहरें किनारा ढूंढ ही लेती है। वैसे ही सपने चाहे कितने भी बड़े क्यों ना हो, अगर हौसला और जज्बा हो तो सफलता जरूर मिलती है। So guys, now I've reached to St. Mary's Island, जहाँ पहुँचने में almost लगे 40 minutes ferry से. Also guys, this island has an amazing history. So in the year 1498, Vasco da Gama landed at St. Mary's Island on his journey from the Kingdom of Portugal. He fixed a cross on the island and named one of these islands. So from there the name came. I find this history really interesting. So guys, let me tell you that I am in love with this island. This is so pretty. Like, I don't think the video could do that much justice to this island, because this is so beautiful. You know, when you see it from your own eyes, you should visit this island for sure if you are in Udupi. And this is the most beautiful place in Udupi. The one very different fact about this island is these rocks. The rocks on the island have very different shape. They have hexagon shape, or some have multi-faced column type shape, which actually add on to the beauty of this island. I was back in the hotel around 7 p.m. and I took full rest for 1 hour. Right now it's 8 o'clock and it's a good time for dinner. So for dinner I am planning to go to one of the very famous restaurants in Udupi. Their biryanis are very famous. So the name of the restaurant is Donne Biryani, and let's go without wasting any time because I'm really feeling very hungry. So guys, I've reached this place, Donne Biryani. I'm very excited to try the biryani. Let's go inside and see कि कितनी varieties और क्या क्या मिलता है. So guys, here comes my delicious looking biryani and ये दोने में सर्व हुई है. जिसमें सर्व हुई है उसको दोने बोलते हैं. सो या इसलिए इसका नाम दोने बिरयानी है. सो ये चिकन दोने बिरयानी है एंड इसके साथ रायता मिला है एंड आई गॉट ग्रेवी ऑल्सो. उसके साथ मैंने मोहितो भी ऑर्डर करवाया एंड एवरीथिंग वॉज वेरी डिलीशियस. I had my biryani and now it's time to go back to my hotel. So guys, I'm back to my hotel room and the dinner was so delicious. Also, मैं रास्ते से अपने लिए ice cream लेके आई हूँ because after having a delicious dinner, I think ice cream तो must have. So I'll be enjoying my ice cream and ending the vlog for today. I'll be seeing you tomorrow with another vlog. I hope you guys liked today's vlog. If you do, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, share the video. Up to the time, bye bye.